Before I leave Alabama for home, I figure I'd go ahead and get set this again on film. I was hoping to catch a train coming through here as they did, but anyway, we got the peanut conductor right here. A lot of these peanut statues around the Dothan area. But of course, we also got the Atlantic Coastline caboose still here. And the Seaboard Coastline boxcar, they're still here. As you know, this boxcar still has journal boxes, which means it was pull out of service when it still had them. And if this caboose pull out of service when it had roller bearings. This is in Ashford, Alabama. Outside Dothan, not far from the Georgia line. The doors are locked, but you still see inside the caboose through the windows. Now, if a train was coming through right now, this would be a perfect spot to view one passing by. Even has the old luggage carts right here on the outside. But as the sign says, do not move and do not sit on. So I'm not going to do that. It doesn't appear to be open right now, but it's a museum now. A railroad museum to be exact. Please take time to pause the video to read this.